It's hard for me to believe this will be 100 years for the Cattlemen's. That was just the one weekend. Hey, that was Cattlemen's weekend. Everybody was going to come to it.
The Baileys and a number of other families connected to the Greenwood County Cattlemen's Association shared their stories and insights with us as the organization approached the centennial of its annual celebration called Cattlemen's Day.
We're here.
Greenwood County is a pretty big county, so if you live on the south end and your friends live on the north end or whatever, you might not see people very often, and so getting everybody together in one big room is pretty fun.
And it's also a good way for our local cattlemen to get together. Some of them I only see once a year.
Join us for another adventure into the tall grass prairie as we meet some of the ranch families who tend to the grasslands of the southern Flint Hills of Kansas.
Around 85% of Greenwood County is prairie. It's an oasis on the prairie.